Hi, we're back with Professor Solis and Strategies for Success. We want to simplify expressions using the distributive property. Simplify expression using the distributive property. A lot of you have heard of this. You may not have written it as a rule, but we'll do it today. So what the distributive property is, I'm going to use letters first. A, parentheses, B plus C, close the parentheses. What the distributive property does, it distributes what's in front of the parentheses, this A, times B, and then we distribute this A times C. So it would look like A times B plus A times C, but you can write it more simplified by saying AB plus AC without writing the dots. So if we put some numbers in here in letters, let's say X, 3 plus Y. So if we distribute the X like the A up here, this would be X times 3. Some of you might write X times 3. That's okay. Then we come back, X times Y plus X times Y. But in math, we always want to write our numbers before the letters. So we should say 3x without the dot, and then alpha order plus xy. That's our distributive property. Let's put the number in front. 3 times x plus 8. Okay, 3 times x. We will write 3x. We can save a little time without putting the dot. 3 times 8 would be 24. So 3x plus 24. So this would be using the distributive property. All the ones I boxed right here is using the distributive property. So I hope that'll help. And always remember to write that coefficient in front of the variable. If you have two variables, then write them in alphabetical order. And if you had a power, then you want the highest power first. So we'll get into those as we move along in the course. Thanks for joining.